Hello. We are going to be making some slime. Yes, I'm crazy. Let's move on. Okay, first you have a bowl. Then you're going to grab some glue. Elmer's white glue. School glue is what I'm using. Alright, so now I am trying to open up the school glue. Now remind you, this is old glue that is left over from my kids from back to school supplies. Yes, it looks to be a little hard to open. Okay, I'm banging it and it still is not coming loose. I give up. I'm going to get other resources. Yes, I went a little dramatic, but look at that. It worked. So, oh well. Oh, look at this. Some nastiness in there. Can you tell it's old glue? Yuck. Alright, anyways, let's see if we can squeeze some good glue out of this bottle. Oh, yes. That's some nice white glue. Sexy glue. Alright, I think that's about as good as I'm gonna get in there. Yeah. Alright. A booger, anybody? Maybe? Let's see. Oh, yep, there it is. Ah! I'm so crazy. Anyway, let's clean up that mess. Gross. Oh, food coloring. Yes, yellow. If we can get it any more gross looking, let's add some yellow to this. Yes, I don't measure. We just kind of guesstimate in this house. Looks good. Alright, next we need some, well, I guess we need a plastic spoon. We don't have a plastic spoon. Where's the plastic spoon? A plastic spoon. Are you kidding me? Where are you? Where'd the plastic spoon go? Oh, there it is. Phew. Alright, we got it. Good. Oh, yes. Now we're going to take some Tide. Good old variety and laundry detergent is always the answer, right? Okay, so again, we don't measure in this house, so let's take a teaspoon. Push the button here. Oh, well, that wasn't just a teaspoon. So, okay, so maybe 2 teaspoons. Well, let's stir this gooey nastiness together in this cup. Oh, yes. This is what I'm calling great. Yep. I just sneezed and touched my nose. So nasty. But we continue on anyways. And we... Oh, really? Jessica, what are you thinking? Oh, okay. So we're going to continue mixing. Actually, it's mixing quite nicely considering it's years old. Okay, you're stabbing it? Really? Okay. Whatever. As you can see, the little mice in the background watching with excitement. Like, are you going to feed us or water us today? Maybe. Maybe not. As I'm mixing this nasty yellow gooiness, I am thinking this really looks like snot. See it? Can you tell? Does that look like snot to you? I think it does. If this is the definition of slime envy, well, here it is. Baking soda, the magic ingredient. Mixed with, oh, look at that. Water. I'm thinking, yeah, that looks like water. Okay, so baking soda and water mixed together. Okay. Again, no mixing cups or teaspoons. Oh, look at that. Oh, okay. Some baking soda and water mixture poured in there at a random amount. And you stir it all together. I don't know if this is going to work, but I guess we'll see. Crazier things have happened. Well, wait a minute. Okay. It's kind of coming off the bowl, but look at that. It's kind of getting clean. Is this actually working? No way. Oh, it still looks like snot though. And it's stuck to my spoon. But it's almost out of the bowl completely. Wonder what happens to my fingers. Oh, it's kind of sticky. Oh. Put a little bit of mixing and look at would you look at that? It doesn't stick anymore. Oh my God. It actually worked. No way. And it's not sticking to my fingers. Now this is the bomb. It is a lit, people. Look at that slime. Come on. Yeah, it's an ugly yellow, but come on. You can't get better than that. Oh, it bounces. Oh! Oh, come on. It has an additive benefit there. I don't even know what an additive benefit means, but hey, look at there. I don't think it's an actual word or phrase. Oh, you can poke it. Oh, wow. There you have it. Glue, Tide, baking soda and water and food coloring, and you can put it on your face and look beautiful. Oh, goggles. Peace, people. Love you. Bye-bye.